Now in this video we discuss how to write minor and cofactor of element of matrix or determinant within few seconds. So see here, if elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 of given matrix, then we know that minor m11, m12, m21, m22 find by skipping the row and column in which that element lie. But here we can write minor and cofactor directly. See how to write m11. So while writing the elements, we write element at position 1 1, then element at position 1 2, then element at position 2 1, and then element at position 2 2. That means first we write 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. But while writing the minor of that element, write in reverse order. That means write the element at position 2 2, that means 4, then element at position 2 1, that is 3, then write the element at position 2 1 2, so write here value 2, then write the element at position 1 1, that is 1. That means we write 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 as the minor of given elements. So while writing the cofactors, so see what we have to do here. C11, C12, C21, C22 are the cofactors of element 1, 2, 3, 4. Now while writing the cofactor, we have to change the sign of these two minors, that is m12 and m21. So we write here -3, -2 and keep this 4 and 1 as it is. So in this way, first we write the elements of given matrix in the reverse order that are the minor of that given matrix elements, and for writing the cofactors we have to change the sign of these two, that is for minor m12 and m21. So we write here -3, -2. Now see one more example. So we take here one more example, 1, 3, -5, 7 as the element of this given matrix. Then we write here minor m11, m12, m21, m22 as. Now we have to write this in the reverse order. So we write here 7 first, then -5, then 3, then 1. These are the minors. So for writing the cofactors, C11, C12, then C21, C22. So for this we have to change the sign of this m12 and m21 only. So in place of -5 we write +5, in place of 3 we write -3, and keep this 7 and this 1 as it is. So in this way you can write the minor and cofactor within few seconds. So while calculating the minor and cofactor of the elements of determinant, you can use the same procedure. So instead of writing the elements in square bracket, we write in vertical bar for the determinant. So minor of this 1 is 4, minor of this 2 is 3, minor of this 3 is 2, and minor of this 4 is 1. So for writing the minor of elements of determinant, we use the same procedure. We have to write in a reverse order. So you can also remember in this way. While writing the elements of this determinant, we write in this order. While writing the minor, we write in this way. So we write this element as minor of first element, this element as minor of this second element, then this as minor of third element, that is 3. Then we write the value as the minor for this element 4. So in this way we can remember. In this way also, Z start at this position. If we write in this way, that will be the minor. So for writing the minor, we have to reverse the order, that is position. So we write A22, A21, 1 2, then a 1 1 as the minor, and we have to change only the sign. If here sign is plus, then we have to change the sign as minus. Here if sign is plus, then we have to write the sign as minus. If sign is minus, then we write plus. When sign is minus, we write plus for the O factors.